Hi there, this is Paul Manny-Solassen, and today we're going to be talking about gadgets. Specifically one I've spent a few weeks of my spare time on called Bebo Photos. This is an open social gadget, which means you can run in any open social container, for example, Google IG, Gmail, AOL Webmail, Orkut. There's a bunch of containers out there, but the one we're going to be looking at today is Gmail. So let me open that up. Gmail.com. Alright, here in Gmail you can see a few out-of-the-box Google gadgets on the left. For example, chat. See the typical chat functionality here. Now we want to add a custom gadget. So we'll click Settings. We'll go to Labs. Scroll down to the end, and in this Add Any Gadget by URL, we'll enable that. Save those settings. It's going to refresh Gmail. We're going to go back to settings, and this time we have a gadgets tab at the top. So we'll click that, and it says add a gadget by its URL. So I already got the URL here, so we'll copy and paste that. It's at the Unwired Thinking site, so we can add it, and you see it dynamically updated the page. We've now got this new gadget to the left. Typically, you'll use this gadget when you're composing messages, so we'll do that. Composing a message, let's see, two things. One, we need to give this gadget access to our Bebo account. So we'll click this here button, here link. It's going to open, you see it's opened a window to bebo.com. And basically Bebo is asking if we want to in fact grant this, this gadget access to our Bebo information. So we'll do a quick read of that. We'll hit yes. Now it's going to make a callback and update the gadget. So now the gadget's got all of our Bebo albums in it, in addition to the photos in those albums. So you can see it's pretty easy to scroll back and forth. You can see here's an India album with 12 photos created about 2 months ago. Here's the album from the Philippines, modified a day ago, modified yesterday, Hawaii, etc. Now let's compose this message tonight. We'll go with Pete, and we'll say, have a look at these photos. See, I've done this before. All right, look at these photos. So I'm now going to select some photos, or rather, first I'll select an album. Let's say we want to send some pictures from Hawaii. All right, here are some pics of my trip. Now typically you'd hit the attach a file button, but in this case we don't need to browse for files or anything because we've already uploaded the files for our Bebo gallery. So we'll select a few files here. Let's go with nice waterfall, pull that in, shot from a helicopter, pull that guy in, and we'll get one more. We'll go with some parasailing. Alrighty, so we've got 3 photos in here, and just give them some space. Alright, one nice thing is we can use, this is a rich text editor, so we can size the photos, put borders around them, like that. So let's make them a little bit bigger. We'll go with the original sizes, and there you go. So what we've done here is we've been able to browse through galleries. In addition, if you in fact have a photo that you don't yet have in a gallery, instead of hitting this attach file, you can go ahead and hit this upload button and browse and upload it to the current Bebo gallery. That way, when you want to get to it later, you can get right back to it rather than just simply doing a one-off and attaching it to your email message. So you see these 3 photos. Just wrap this up. Let's go with see you later. All right, there we go. So you can see how easy that is. I will then hit send. It's going to send that photo. It's send that message with the photos, and that's it. Now, if I wanted to do it again, I could send another message to someone else. This time, I'm going to send some pictures from India or from somewhere else, and it's pretty easy. So basically, that was the introduction to the Bebo photo gallery. Currently, I've been developing in Firefox using a Mac, and I did notice some problems in Safari, and undoubtedly, I'm sure I'll have some problems with IE. But this initial webcast was kind of just to show people what I'm up to, and hopefully solicit feedback on interest levels. Hopefully, people are in fact interested, and if so, then I'll port it to the other browsers, and then I'm looking to as well pull in other photo galleries. For example, pull in a Flickr gallery, pull in a Facebook gallery, kind of whatever's popular. I want to pull into this gadget. So hopefully you've enjoyed this webcast, and I look forward to hearing from you. Alrighty, take it easy.